How will I open it?
How are you?
Whoa, what is it? Oh, I got metal!
Whoa! Cool.
Let me see.
It doesn't fit.
Yeah, push it down.
Metal.
Is that for a race that you won?
No.
Nice.
And the same book as last time.
Cool.
Now this book already. What's this? What are these?
Thanks.
Then what's inside them? What's inside them?
Keep looking.
Huh?
Nothing. It's just
It's to show where Canada is.
That's right.
yeah. Where's Canada? To Canada?
We did Canada there.
Let me see. Show me again.
Canada's right there.
All right.
Where's Venezuela?
There's one Canada and there's gonna be American.
No, it's only one.
Yep. One. Let's see. Whoa, what's this?
Oh, don't open that. Let me see.
That's for you.
From yeah.
What's this?
I don't know. Let me see. That's a balloon copter. It's some kind of a balloon thing to fly.
Oh, this is a balloon copter.
Nice.
See what else is? Oh, some socks for me.
Awesome.
Are you sure for you?
Oh, a frog.
A frog. She sent you a frog.
Again.
That's a very special frog, Pablo.
Oh.
Listen to me.
Huh?
Okay, listen to me. You need to know what that frog does.
What?
You put him on your computer, and you have to feed him every day, and you have to give him a bath, and
How?
take him for walks
How?
on the computer.
I got the same ones, but this is not the same. This isn't the same. This isn't the same. This isn't the same.
So it's not the same.
But they look the same. Oh, and some clothes for me.
Oh, awesome. Let me see that.
Yeah, I'll bring it over.
Okay. This is from our university. Here, look, look.
Huh?
Oh, cool. Here, put this on.
No.
Please.
Now leave the medal on.
Mommy, I don't want to keep this on.
Okay, you can take it off after. Here, put your sweatshirt on.
No.
It's summer.
Matthias.
Beautiful.
Matthias.
Look. Cool.
When he's
So
a little
cool.
bigger, he can wear this. That's his medal. Very good.
What's that?
And
Nice.
some tape.
Aw.
What's that? Hey, let me see that. What does that say?
And some more socks for me.
Oh, that's for the kitchen.
Yeah. That's, oh,
That's,
what's that?
so you can do sports on those.
Oh, look. A t-shirt.
Look at this.
Oh,
A
there you
book. A fog book.
Nice.
Ow.
Oh,
And
cool.
these.
Car. For a car. $6 each.
Oh, look. A blanket. A blanket, Mommy. A blanket. A blanket, Mommy. What's this? Stevie.
Oh, it's a picture of you.
No, Samir. Samir to
Are you sure? No, let me see. No, Pablo's there. I see only Pablo. See? Only Pablo.
I see the kitchen.
Oh, they've sent you a picture of the kitchen.
Not that. We're done. Everything's
Okay, can you put everything back on the box, please? Organize
So
it, thank you.
what day is it on here?
Well, it's not a day, it's a flag.
Today's Canada Day here.
That's Canada Day right there, yes.
Today's Canada Day.
Every day is Canada Day in this house.